Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be sharing my favorite red lipstick collection with you all, like my top 5 red lipsticks. They're all the pretty much same color. It's red, but different variations of red, like true red, dark red, orangey red, yeah, like that. I gotta say this, red lipsticks are my favorite color to wear. You can just have no makeup on and slap on some red lipsticks and you're good to go.
This is one of the best from MAC. It's a perfect red and every vanity should have this MAC Retro Matte lipstick. Never dries out your lips, it just brightens up your face no matter what. Suitable for all Indian skin tones. Another shade which flatters all Indian skin tones. It's the perfect maroon, which is not too dark, non-drying formula. This definitely looks royal. This lip crayon is to die for. They are super pigmented, matte, not drying the lips. The perfect MLBB shade again for all Indian skin tones. Perfect for bridal or party wear. Maybelline Color Show Red Rush is a beautiful red shade with pink undertones. These are creamy and dries easily. Red lipstick is always in, whether it's matte, creamy, glossy and so on. It does moisturize your lips. Avenue is a very intense, dark, warm red, gorgeous gold color. Flatters my skin tone perfectly but extremely drying. You gotta exfoliate and hydrate them with a lip balm before application. It's a boundary color. I think everyone loves a slash of red lipstick.
So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button. Bye bye.